Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh 2019 Northwood Arctic Fox 811 truck camper. This one's made for a short box pickup. This one has the optional Fox landing, rear ladder, large assist handle, onboard generator, power awning out the back. Come on inside. Check out the new flooring. It's got that old rustic barn look flooring. Nice big dinette, folds down into a bed. It's got the glide down table that makes it very easy to make into a dinette and or bed. Everything's LED lights throughout. This one has the option of the dual pane windows. 2019 went to a 1 cubic foot larger refrigerator, freezer. Still Norcold with the recessed freezer on top. Little spice rack or cabinet there for whatever you would like. We're panning around here into the kitchen area. We got a nice big heavy duty sink cover that can be used as a cutting board. Nice one-piece stainless steel basin sink with the Mullen pull-out faucet and spray nozzle. Nice big kitchen window. Our observation center here. So we have our panels for lighting, generator on-off switch, solar readouts, tank readouts, stereo system, furnace system. Above cabinetry, solid wood cabinet doors, stainless steel package on our microwave, range cover, and oven here. This has the large oven, 3 shelving positions, 3 burner cooktop with the high output burners. Nice backsplash here to keep the grease off the walls. This is a nice feature. Come around here, we got the pull-out rack for the pantry with adjustable rack positions. Fixed pantry here with fixed shelving. We have the positive lock for the bathroom door on a slider. This has the wet bath, so it's all a one-piece shower wall and floor component with the porcelain toilet, skylight, and fan. We look up here, this is a full queen-size bed up front. Storage on both sides. 110 USB and 12-volt lighting and plug-ins on both sides of the bed with the fantastic fan above. Plenty of ceiling height when we're sitting at the edge of the bed. Also has the skylight in the kitchen with shade. And then there is, in the cabinet stores away, a nice big countertop extension that fits here. In the 811 we still have the pass-through, the see-through window out the back end. This has large propane tanks, dual batteries, large freshwater and gray and black water capacities, a bit larger than most. Come on outside and I'll show you the exterior. Exterior speakers for the stereo system. Removable step here with about a 4-foot pull-out tray that stores underneath the floor area there in the basement area. The Fox landing setup that will fold up. So if we're pulling a trailer or something, we have easier access that way, or with it being notched out here, we can put that over and it goes over the tongue of the trailer, so it works out real nice. Power tongue jacks on all 4 corners. Like I said, the large 7-gallon propane tank, so we got a total of about 14 gallons of propane there. Plumbing access here, battery compartment here with a pull-out tray. Pull handle access here with our low point drains. Tie downs here, and you'll notice we got about 6 bolts that hold those tie downs on each tie down, so very heavy duty, along with our black tank flush and our City Water Connect hookup. Shore cord here, satellite cable ready for park cable and satellite there, outside shower and freshwater fill here, and then we have our hot water heater that's gas and electric that's here. Notice on the jacks all the bolts that tie this on, as well as having the underplate that supports the weight of the camper underneath here. So again, Northwood's been building these things for quite a while. We were their very first dealer, so we're very happy and glad we can brag about that. But they do build a very, very good product. This is a one-piece all the way up to the roof line. So no seams, less places for it to create a leak if that happens. Got the nice large slide that's on the curb side. Therefore, when we pull off the side of the road and we want to put our slide out, it's not going to go out into the road area. It's on the curb side, so that makes it very handy. Along with having the outside storage, this is going to be underneath the dinette area. Outside in, where on the inside we have drawers and cabinets underneath the dinette area. That's kind of a quick run through on the Northwood 811 truck camper. Again, my name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. I've been here 15 years, very knowledgeable with the Northwood product. So don't hesitate to ask for me or come by and see me, or just give me a phone call direct at 541-979-1770. Be able to answer all of your questions. Thank you and have a great day.